Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we get access to more options we can manage. From here let's move to the left corner to this button. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the general settings. At the first place here in this category we have the save location info option, so it allows us to save information about the place where we take a picture. By using this button we can easily turn it off, and by just another tap we can turn it on again, so this is really easy, you can use this as you need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. And from here let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button. When we pick this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our photo. By tapping in the center we get access to more options about the gallery. Now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we have to pick the details, and here at the last position we can check the location, so we have the full address, greetings from Krakow, Poland. By tapping on this we go through to the Google Maps and we can check our location at the map. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.